Who can tell where it begins? As a small cloud, a light breeze, drifting over the plains of Africa, one day in August.
Station, Houston. Are you recording that weather disturbance forming over Senegal? The National Hurricane Center asks that you keep an eye on that system.
As the pressure falls, the storm's transformation is launched.
Tropical Storm Lucy. It's intensified into a Category 1 hurricane.
Make this Tropical Storm Lucy. Copy, Lucy.
The rain was torrential, and the river began to rise. I don't want to die here.
Clearing Puerto Rico and heading towards Cuba.
Through the eye wall is the way to the storm's heart.
Lucy's grown massive since yesterday.
Hurricane Lucy poses a very serious threat.
It's gonna fly off.
Track heading towards Louisiana.
We have 200 people. We have to get out of here. That's fast, guys. That's just a few minutes.
Lucy is officially dead.
When its engine finally stills, our assessments begin.
A hurricane can also be a blessing in your life.
They are the greatest storms on Earth, but hurricanes restore balance.